Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Woo, get some, bro. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Trail riding. Like I said, it's a beautiful day today in the hills of Hawaii. Riding with Yoram in the front and Trailblazer. Woo. Some high-speed action. Yeah, just having some fun. Getting a good workout today. The temperature is really hot. Today is going to be one of the hottest days of the year. It's been 90 degrees all week. Whoa! Let's go around this way. Yes. And yeah, all week it's been over 90, and the humidity is over 70%, so it's been quite sticky. And but in here it feels really nice because of the trees and all of the foliage surrounding us. It just gives it a really nice feel and aroma. You know, the aroma of these this foliage is unreal. And you just hit these rocks with a vengeance, and then that's how you get through that kind of sections. You just gotta have a lot of momentum, and hopefully you hit the right freaking chords. See this one right there? They're going inside that hole. I'm gonna try to go this way. Try different lines, get better traction. You don't want to go where everybody's going. You getting tired?